Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are this is gonna be definitely a one, okay? But without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification for more videos with me. I love you guys so much, and let's just get right into this review. So this is going to be a review on this hair. I have so much to tell y'all about this hair. It's crazy. Like, it's just, it is what it is. But so this is not a bang unit, y'all. This is Outre's LaceFront wig, 16-inch in the style Elina. You have probably seen this wig all over the YT. It is a new wig from the Outre LaceFront. Like I said, it's Elina, and I got it in the color. The color is beautiful. The color is freaking beautiful. But not in this style, not in this curling pattern, but we'll get into all that. So this is 42.5 Pica Red 99J. So that means there is a burgundy, and then it comes out to being more of a darker kind of burgundy situation going on. So the color is very pretty, and it kind of gives you like an orange effect too as well, just a little bit, not too much, like a Pica Red 99J, like it says. This is how the wig was supposed to come. So the wig did come like this, but the way the wig is, I wish I should have showed y'all when I was planning on doing all this stuff to this hair. I wish I would have showed y'all what it looked like coming out of the pack. Out of the pack, it looked very wiggy. Very wiggy. It kind of still looks wiggy, honestly. In my opinion, it really still looks wiggy. But I did put a lot of product into it, a lot of spray, so I'll link that down below in the description box if you guys want to purchase this. Like, it's crazy. But I had to cut some bangs in this unit, and the reason why I decided to cut bangs into this unit is because I saw Courtney Janine here on the YT do something like that, where she always, like, when a wig doesn't seem to be going the way she wants it, she'll cut bangs into it. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and cut some bangs into this unit, okay? Like, let me revamp it, let me do something different. And I just did it. I didn't film it, I didn't do nothing, I just did it. This is really what the wig is supposed to come like. It doesn't have as much details. It just says it has a 5D parting, as you can't tell because I did cut the lace, but it does have a 5D parting, pre-plucked. It was not pre-plucked the way that I would have thought that this wig would have been pre-plucked. It wasn't. That's why it looks so wiggy, because it wasn't plucked like it should have been plucked. Natural baby hairs. Didn't really feel like it had natural baby hairs. So that's what it was. But on the stock card, this color is very pretty, and I've seen people get this same color and the style looks exactly the same. But when you turn and get the Pica colors, it just changes the style of the wig. Even on here, the style of the wig very much looks like a curly unit, but when you get here, it gives you more like a how do I say it? It's curly, but it's not like this. It doesn't look nothing like this right here. It looks nothing like this. It looks more like this. So I pretty much think that if you get this color, you might get the same wig. But if you get a Pica color that's different than the normal color that's on the stock card, it's going to be very different for you. It is all of the hair to the front. This is what it looks like. Like I said, the curls love to do their own things in this wig. Sometimes it's on the other side, sometimes it's together, but this is what the wig is giving. I love to give y'all a close-up so you guys can see. I did, like I said, I cut it and you can see the color 99J, and you can see that red color peeking through. I kind of like tuck it behind my ear. I kind of tuck this one behind my ear too as well, and kind of leave some hair like sticking through, but even then there's more curl and more bounce and more volume on one side than is the other side. So I just decided to keep it really the way it was and just basically put one section behind my ear. This is just for the review specifically, y'all. So I don't really recommend getting this wig unless you get in that color that's on the stock card. I think the color that's on the stock card is DRFF4 Butter Toast. That's that one. And then the other one is 430 Pica 3527, and that's on the right side. So yeah, but this is the shade 425 Pica Red 99J. So it has other Pica colors, and then it has the, you know, your standard other colors as well too. So that is the end of this video, y'all. Like I said, if you do want to purchase this wig, I will still link it down below for y'all, but me, I wouldn't recommend this wig for y'all. So overall, if I hadn't cut the bangs into this wig, I would have gave it a 6. But if now that I cut the bangs into this wig, I'll give it a 7.5. I was gonna say half, but no, I'll give it a 7 for the review. But that is it, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. When in doubt, cut bangs into the wig, period. Bye.